Helping your child make it through his teenage years is not an easy proposition. You have to work through things that range from car insurance and driving to dating and preparing for college. Many people like the added help that a program such as the Boy Scouts of America can provide for their kids. When a young man works hard enough to receive his Eagle Scout award, a parent knows that he is responsible. In fact, in some areas of the country, getting this Scouting award is a prerequisite that many parents place upon their children before they are allowed to drive the family car. Other things that help a parent to know that their child is responsible enough to drive a car may be education-related. For instance, a parent may require that their children get a certain grade point average in school before allowing them to take the driver education classes that are usually offered in local high schools. One good thing about this parental requirement is that you can often get a good student discount on the car insurance once they are beginning to drive. Having your child work with you as you go through the process of finding cheap car insurance is also a great life lesson that you can give them. Shopping around for the best deal and understanding why insurance for young drivers costs more can be very eye-opening. Requiring them to pay at least a portion of the car insurance costs may help them be more aware as they drive, and if they are the ones who will be required to come up with the deductible if they are involved in an accident, it will make them drive more carefully so they don't have to spend their hard-earned money. They may even have to get a job to help cover the costs of the gasoline they use and their share of the insurance premium. In addition to having them help pay for the costs of driving, such as the car insurance and the gasoline and oil changes, it is also a good idea to place certain restrictions on your young driver to help him learn about responsible driving. For instance, if your child has a cell phone, you should require that they don't use it except for emergencies if they are driving, or that they pull over to the side of the road if they need to make a call. It is also the law in many states that texting is not allowed while driving. You should instill this in your children and make sure that you also teach these cell phone rules to them by example. Another important way to help your young driver be more responsible is to require that there is a limit of how many people can be in the car at one time, especially if your child is driving a larger vehicle that holds more people like a minivan. Also, your child could be required to take turns driving large groups of teenagers to activities. Limiting the possible distractions such as cell phones and lots of passengers will help your child focus on the road and his driving. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.